How to close a NETSPEND account. To close a NETSPEND account, follow these steps. Log in to your NETSPEND online account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. Look for the option to close your account, usually labeled as close account or something similar. Click on the close account option to initiate the process. Review any outstanding balance or transaction on your account. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision to close the account. You may need to provide a reason for closing the account. Verify that all linked accounts or services associated with your NETSPEND account are no longer active. Upon successful closure, you will receive confirmation that your NETSPEND account has been closed. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.